The day I realised I could make money online while sat on my sofa was the day that changed my life. I make money shopping, banking, eating, reading, throwing stuff out, and now I make money writing and talking about making money. With that in mind, here are the best of those money-making activities. Making money online with website testing. Usertesting.com is a simple way to earn quick money. It is a website where you are invited to test other websites. You sit down at your computer and use a microphone to dictate your experience of the website you review. Each task takes about 10 to 15 minutes. You will then be paid $10, about £7.50, exactly a week after you upload that recording. Therefore, if you are near your computer, I recommend loading up the site and waiting for an opportunity to pop up. I think that you could easily do a minimum of 1 or 2 of these a day, and this could total £300 to £450 a month. Making money online with online surveys. There are several different survey sites and apps that you can use to make money. I've tried a few, and my favourites are YouGov and Prolific. YouGov works by sending you surveys based on current affairs. I've answered questions on all sorts of things, from TV to politics. For each survey, you receive points. I have had between 25 to 100 points per survey, and you need 5,000 points to get a £50 check. Prolific has one of the best returns from a survey site. You quite frequently see surveys that pay £1 to £2 for your time. These tend to be academic surveys, and I found the ones that I have done more interesting than the average survey out there. The minimum payout is £5, which is excellent, but this will incur fees. If you can wait until £20, then you get a much better return. Make money online with tutoring. If you have a talent that you can share with the world, then tutoring might be for you. If you are a teacher or you have qualifications in a core subject such as English, maths or science, then you can quite easily make money with this. I used a website that was called TutorHub, but this has now changed its name to SuperProf. As a maths teacher, I had several offers of work and quickly began working with a couple of students. You create a profile outlining your skills and abilities, and the website adds you to their list. Once you have found a match, you use the website to connect. All sessions are recorded, and there are ways to share resources and a selection of drawing tools to help you deliver the content. This website asks tutees to make payments ahead of time, so there's no chance that you won't get paid. They then pay you as the tutor via PayPal at the end of every month. The amount you could make from this varies depending on your skills and the time that you're prepared to put into it. When I was doing it, I was collecting about £25 per hour and doing it for several hours a week. In my best months, I received a payout of close to £700. Make money online with Etsy. I love Etsy. I'm so drawn to it because it's full of unique and creative people and their products. Being a successful Etsy seller would be a dream come true for me. However, I've yet to come up with a product that has wowed anyone. I've given it a go. It costs approximately 13p to list an item on Etsy, and they'll also take a percentage of the selling price. If you're getting paid via PayPal, there will be fees for this too. You need to factor this into your pricing. Make money online with a blog. This is a long game if you want to make serious money. It takes a lot of hours of research and carefully crafting and reviewing content. However, there is money out there, and you can do it in your PJs. Every one of the posts on my website has been written in the evenings whilst my children have been asleep. It fits around my schedule. My first money-making month was in September 2018, and I made £400 in that month. This was about 6 months after I started the website. Now, you can get started with a website for about £60. You will need hosting and you will need a domain name. I'm currently with Lyrical Host, and if you want to see my link for them, it is below. They can help you get your website set up. The money available from blogging is like asking how long is a piece of string. Time and effort have a direct impact on your earning potential. So go for it and just see how much you can make. Make money online with match betting. This is an absolute winner as an easy way to make money online. Not only can you make money quickly, but it is tax-free and relatively risk-free. The basic idea is that you sign up with betting agencies and place bets. This will give you access to a free bet, which you can use to make money. The way it is made risk-free is by laying off your bets, or in normal person speak, placing both bets to win and bets to lose, draw, or any other outcome. The process can seem a little daunting at first, and this is why I choose to use Profit Accumulator to help me. It's a fantastic site that not only compiles a list of all the offers that are out there available to you, but also provides video and instruction on how to make money from them. I made over £400 in my first week from Mad Betting. The more you have to play with at the beginning, the faster you will make money. You will find that you make money quite quickly in the beginning, and your first £1,000 should come fairly easily. It has the potential to be a long-term money-making hustle, and Profit Accumulator has members that are consistently making around £1,000 a month. So what are your top tips for making money online? Let me know in the comments below and hit that subscribe button to see more videos just like this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!